Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated sports cars of the decade, the 2026 Nissan Z. The Z badge has always carried a ton of heritage, and this new model aims to merge that iconic legacy with the latest performance tech and modern style to keep enthusiasts excited. Nissan has clearly listened to the fans on this one, and it shows from the moment you take a look at it. The exterior design of the 2026 Z continues the sharp and athletic profile that made earlier Z cars stand out, but with cleaner lines and much more refined details. The long hood, short rear deck, and balanced proportions give it that unmistakable sports car silhouette. Nissan decided to lean into a more sculpted and aerodynamic look, allowing air to glide across the body for better stability at high speeds. Updated LED headlights, a reworked grille, and new color options add extra personality, making sure the 2026 Z doesn't just perform like a modern sports car, but also looks like one. Now, when it comes to performance, the 2026 Z delivers the kind of punch that reminds you why this car exists. Under the hood, Nissan continues with a turbocharged V6 setup tuned for quicker throttle response, improved power delivery, and greater efficiency. Rumors point toward horsepower gains over the previous generation, along with fine-tuned suspension and chassis improvements for sharper handling around corners. Enthusiasts will be pleased to know that both an automatic and a manual transmission are still offered. The combination of rear-wheel drive, balanced weight distribution, and refined power makes the new Z feel alive whether you're cruising on the highway or carving down a mountain road. Inside the 2026 Z, Nissan focused on blending driver-focused ergonomics with modern comfort. The cabin layout places key controls within easy reach, and supportive sports seats keep you planted during spirited driving. Materials have been noticeably upgraded, with more soft-touch surfaces and customizable trim accents to make the interior feel more premium. A larger infotainment display sits at the center, offering seamless smartphone connectivity, navigation, and performance data. Digital gauges allow drivers to view everything from boost pressure to lap timing, giving the cockpit a more high-tech and purposeful feel as for unique features. The 2026 Z doesn't just rely on performance alone. Nissan has added customizable drive modes, allowing drivers to tailor throttle response, steering weight, and transmission behavior. Safety and assistance systems have also been improved, giving modern buyers peace of mind without diluting the raw sports car experience. And for those who appreciate heritage, Nissan includes subtle nods to past Z models through retro design hues and commemorative badging. The 2026 Nissan Z proves that the sports car isn't going anywhere. It preserves the soul of the original while embracing the future in all the right ways. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.